Hi, welcome to my kusina. I'm Marites. I'm not a culinary expert. I just want to share with you what I've learned from Filipino cuisine to international cuisine. For more recipes, hit the like and subscribe button and share these videos to your family and friends. With that said, without further ado, let's get started. Let's cook lemon butter garlic shrimp pasta. Of course, cook the pasta. We need garlic mince, half slice of lemon, spinach, and we need shrimp stock. All the heads and the shells of the shrimp, we boil it, and we need chili flakes and white pepper. Of course, while cooking the shrimp stock and waiting to be boiled, let's prepare the butter. We need to slice 1/4 cup of butter and we need to make sure that the shells and the heads should be boiled, and preheat the wok pan and add a tablespoon of olive oil and a 1/4 cup of butter. Allow it to melt. You can use linguine pasta if you have. I use spaghetti. And now add the minced garlic cook it until fragrant, and add the shrimps. This is so easy to make and very delicious if you love butter. And I always squeeze the lemon juice to shrimp to avoid allergic reaction if you have allergies. And now add the chili flakes and the white pepper. Allow to cook. And now add the pasta and toss it properly until all the butter incorporated with the pasta. Actually, it's best to use linguine because when you use butter, it's more absorbent, not unlike this spaghetti, but it's also still delicious. What I have right now is spaghetti pasta. And now add the spinach. If you want more some kick on this recipe, add more white pepper and black ground pepper, and more chili flakes. Add more lemon juice again, and make it sure to incorporate all the ingredients. This is so easy to make. And now for the flavoring, add the shrimp stock. And remember, my mother always cook pancit, always have a shrimp stock. And add 2 tablespoons of butter and allow it to melt inside with all the spaghetti pasta and all the ingredients. Mix it well. And for final ingredient, add the 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. Oh, so delicious. I smell already the fragrance of the butter, the cheese, the garlic. So yummy. So easy to make. Try this at home and share this to your family. It's so easy to make. And another dish, aside from spaghetti and other carbonara, you can make this like this, as simple as it is. Lemon, butter, garlic, shrimp pasta. Try this. Happy cooking. Stay safe. God bless.